Okay guys, this is USD JPY 5 minutes. I just want to show you guys something briefly. Whenever you open your chart and you see something like this in the market, wait for this level, the previous low, to be taken out. Once this level has been taken out and market close above here, it's established that you have a structure. You see all these impulse correction don't necessarily mean you have a structure. So wait for it, because what move this market is liquidity, is money. So, and you see, so some people call it inducement or wherever, stop loss and so on. So look at this. Let's say you buy here now. You are expecting the market to continue going up, but it actually comes back for your stop loss, because I'm sure your stop loss will be below here. So that's why some people will say my stop loss got humped and so on. So look at this one. In this scenario, you have this level like this. You have a level like this. Once this level has been taken out and market close above here, it means that this low will definitely be protected. So, and all you need to do after the market has closed, it's not that you just buy directly because market has closed, or you buy as a means of, as a support and resistance stuff. You still need to identify the liquidity. So now in this scenario, these are liquidity. Wait for this market to come back here below this level, then you can start looking for buy. Maybe you have your entry model wherever, it doesn't matter. In fact, you can easily use 75% or 65% Fibonacci, but you make sure that it was after this level has been taken out. So that's it, guys. So look at this situation. So yesterday we were moving. Look at this. When the USD JPY start moving in 5 minutes, you can see I established this movement that we have a structure here because this level was taken out and market push up. But as you see, market keep pushing up, pushing up. It never came back for the previous low. So it keep pushing up, push up, push up, push up. So, but in this scenario, he had the last push up here and it refused to go up, and it came back for this previous low that it created like this. Look at this. So it did something like this, then it came back and moved. So this established the fact that we have a low here. So it means that this level will definitely be protected. So all I need to do is to wait for, okay, now where is our previous last pullback? And as you can see, market actually did this by coming back for this, because if you want to look at it after market mitigate this level before it broke this high, look at what he did something like this and a push. This is not pullback because all this candle, if you look at it closely, all this candle were inside this one candle. So until market close above here, that's when we establish a pullback. And as you can see, there is no significant pullback here. All these are just noise. All these are just trick to just take your money, or to just frustrate some people that doesn't understand what is actually happening here. So for me now, I must wait until market come back for this last pullback before I can buy, and that's exactly what I did. So you see, immediately market mitigate this level. I don't want to talk about entry here. I just know that we are going up because of what? Because this low must be protected if we actually want to go up. And if you want to target break of structure, it depends on you. You can target break of structure this next high, but mine, I don't go more than, I only take 1 to 3 in the market, irrespective of the way the market is, because I have the understanding that the market will definitely provide more opportunities. So I only want to, based on my risk to reward, that's how I calculated it. So I don't have problem with that. If I want to swing, I have another plan for that, or another risk management and so on for all those things. So look at this. Within 20 minutes, you have this TP smash. And if you have gone for break of structure level, you have almost 1 to 5. So look at this. So this is the current situation in the market again. As I said, look at this. This level was taken out. We have a break of structure here. According to what I just explained, we had a break of structure here because of what liquidity was taken and market break up with full body candle. So, and look at this, when we break of structure happen, but because we don't have any liquidity here, any pullback here when the market was going, it's expected that market is likely to create one before it now came back for it. So you see, market sweep this high, so it means that we have a liquidity here, the low. This is the major liquidity, but because market still create another internal one before it went back finally to sweep the major high, which is this one. This one was unable to sweep it the first attempt. So if I show you, you will see that it was unable to sweep it. Let me remove this stuff. So we see that we were unable to sweep because what crazy about SMC is it involves detailing. So you have to be detailed. So look at this high. You see, the first attempt was unable to sweep it, and the second attempt was able to. So now it means that this is our last low, we can call which we can call the minor inducement. So you understand, but this is the major inducement. So, and if you apply the same concept to, you will see that even if you use your Fibonacci, if you don't have any entry model, you see that market is trending around 75%. So it means that if you are taking this trade here now, definitely, if you take this trade here now, definitely your stop loss will be below here, and you can target probably 1 to 3 like this. So or whatever things you want to take in the market. So that's it, guys. I don't want this thing, but based on my entry, this is my extreme POI. So I'm expecting market to come down here. If I see the sign of market coming down here, then I will engage in this trade. But as I'm seeing it, market seems to be stuck here. But as long as we wait for the for our trading plan to execute itself, then nothing to panic about. So all this one can just be an attempt to, some people will take a trade here because they will put their stop loss here because they want a very, very sniper entry and so on. But we forgot that there is a POI here, and this low is still there. Market can come down deeper. So for you to be safe, you have to put your stop loss in the right place. So that's it, guys. Thanks for this for watching. If you have any other question, you can just drop it in the comment section, and I will see what I can do about it. Bye.